Hi, my name is Megan Wiesman. I live in Wisconsin and I'm working as a high school science teacher where I teach both the physical and biological sciences. I am taking medical terminology as a prereq for the physician assistant programs. The word that I chose is vertical banded gastroplasty. I have a family member that is considering bariatric surgery and have been doing a lot of research on gastroplasty and just all the things that go into it, so I thought it'd be a perfect fit. The word root is gaster and is of Greek origin. This word refers to stomach. When the O is added, the word becomes its combining form, so gastro. Plasty is also a Greek suffix, and it means to form or mold, so it refers to a surgical repair. Both vertical and banded are descriptive of the procedure itself. Vertical is used for the direction of the sutures, and banded is for the use of the mesh. When put together, the term vertical banded gastroplasty refers to a specific type of bariatric surgery in which the upper stomach is stapled and the mesh is used to create a small pouch. This creates a smaller stomach, restricting the amount of food that can be eaten. This also slows gastric emptying, so people feel fuller for longer. And then this procedure is used in obese patients who are trying to lose weight and obtain a healthier lifestyle.